Lakme for the last 2.5 years, and with each season, association with Lakme has been getting bigger and better. So this season, we're really proud to promote three fresh faces on the ramp: Pratik and Priyanka, Saroj Jalan and Lalit Dalmia. Extremely talented designers, and give them an opportunity to showcase at the Lakme Fashion Week. We really have better laws than the designers because we know they're going to go places from here, and wishing them all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, say hi.
Hi.
I'm presenting my collection. I'm presenting my collection, Unexplored Poise. It's just simple term I've given to my collection. It's my dream and fantasy that inspired to give birth to my collection. It's not arrow in designing. What you dream, you can manifest in reality. That's how my collection developed, and now it's in front of you all. It's just a fantasy that emerged from all my dreams. Colors used blue, peach, and wine. Creativity is all about, has no limits. I can derive inspiration from anything, like clouds, like airs, flowers, animals, birds, anything. It's just dream and fantasy. And now, and the craftsmanship is reality among you. They are a thin line between dream and reality. That's what the Lalit Dalmia is. Thank you so much. And thanks for Lakme to giving me a chance to present my collection. And it's all about who is presenting the collection and who is your basically a showstopper. It's a muse basically, it's a muse. We are coordinated in colors, Mr. Murani. It's a personality basically, it's a personality. You can, outfit plays an important role, but still it is a difference between who is wearing this. If a personality and two strong men is wearing the same color, it means something to the crowd. So that's what I mean to say. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And this, sorry, I don't know why the mic is not working. Saroj, Ms. Saroj, can you please tell us about?
मैं सरोज जलान डिज़ाइनर, इस साल मैं रॉयल हार्मनी इंडिया और मेरा है सोने की चिड़िया, जो इंडिया में सोने की चिड़िया से ये हुई थी कि उसके ऊपर मैंने रॉयल हार्मनी के ऊपर और ट्रेडिशनल के ऊपर मैंने बनाया। मैंने इंडिया के ट्रेडिशनल और कल्चर और नेचर को लेके अपने क्लोथ्स को बनाया है, और कलर्स मैंने यूज़ किया है रेड, ग्रीन, मस्टर्ड एंड बेज। और मैंने क्लोथ से रॉ सिल्क एंड पैटर्न्स को यूज़ किया है जरजोदी वर्क के साथ। और
Thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to thank 6 Degree and Lakme for giving us this opportunity to present our collection here. The collection this time is called Indian Me Fusion. It's basically an illusion of Indian weaves and motifs that we've created through our prints, the colors, the dyeing techniques and the weaving techniques. So therefore the silhouettes are very easy, it gives a feel of effortlessly being sexy. So the wearer becomes a design itself, thus I am design.
And we have Urvashi Radhala as our showstopper. She's absolutely gorgeous, absolutely stunning and sexy. That's what our garments are. Very, very sexy. So thank you all. Thank you.
मैंने अपने शो स्टॉपर में बलूशा को सिलेक्ट किया है क्योंकि मुझे लगता है वो मेरे कपड़े पहनने के लिए मेरे एकदम एप्ट होती है और बहुत ही सुंदर दिखती है। So it's really very beautiful, very simple, very modern also.
Thank you. Let's do a quick photo so that everyone can get up, then we can like push on the chairs.
Question.
Yeah, you wanted to go? Okay, sorry. Do a jabka bhai. Sorry.
Please.
1 second, Mr. Mohammed Bhai wants to say something.
Sure.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate all 3 designers here, and you all did a great job.
Thank you.
And I think it's a theme of discovering new fashion, and I saw something in Lalit when he asked me, I've seen his collection, he's got 5 stores in Delhi, and I always thought he does something experimental, something different, like he said, the fantasy world. So I agreed at one time, yes, I'm going to work for you, and he insisted I do work for him. So here I am. So thank you everybody for your love and support. And we'd like to congratulate all these designers for the great work and all these lovely showstoppers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mohammed, you're just so too sweet. So, first of all, thank you so very much, 6 Degrees and Lakme Fashion Week, for having all of us. It's a great day. I walked for such an amazing designers, Pratik and Priyanka. I am designed, and the collection, I absolutely love the collection because it's very easy breezy. It's very casual for all the young women and young girls out there who just want to feel very light, and it's just very, you can just wear it in 1 second. And it's for the girls out there who just want to walk like without the heels and in just chappals or like flats. That is what I did. I mean, I just walked the ramp for the first time in my life, and that too in flats. So it was something which was very casual. It's very effortlessly sexy and very breezy. I mean, it's for the contemporary girls, like young girls of our country and all over the world. So thank you so much, Pratik and Priyanka. You guys are amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else? Anything else to say? We'll do the photo op and then we'll do the one-on-one. Come, can we all please like stand up? Oh,
I will say something.
that's why I asked. Sorry.
Thank you very much, Saroj, for selecting me to walk the ramp. Thank you, Lakme. Thank you, 6 Degrees. It was an absolute pleasure, and it always is a pleasure to walk the ramp. I started with my first show at Lakme Fashion Week many years ago, and then to come back again as a showstopper is always delightful. I like Saroj's designs. They're very beautiful. She's put a lot of heart and soul and the warmth that she has into her garments. A lot of Zardozi work, a lot of silk, and yeah, they're for a woman who wants to feel like $1 million every time. So you must take a look at these garments. They're really beautiful. Thank you.
हिंदी में बोलना इंग्लिश में बोलना ठीक है चलेगा. So our new collection is called Indian Me Fusion, where we have taken inspiration from the Indian weaves and motifs, basically the patolas and the ikkats. We've turned them into prints and also into silhouettes. So our collection is very detail oriented. It's somebody with a very keen sense of aesthetics, and it's very easy to wear, very easy to wear. It's almost like effortlessly sexy garments. So the wearer becomes a creation itself. It's like very subtle yet very powerful, and the wearer is the creation. It's the Zam design.
कलेक्शन हमारा बहुत ही फन है, बहुत ही ब्रीजी है, एंड जो चाहे आराम से पहन सकता है.
आप कितना कंफर्टेबल फील कर रही हैं इस ड्रेस में?
जी सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल मैं ही फील कर रही हूँ. आई फील बिकॉज जो कलेक्शन है बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग कलेक्शन है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड एज द कलेक्शन थीम इज़ इट्स वेरी एफर्टलेसली सेक्सी. तो आई मीन आई जस्ट टुक लाइक अराउंड 1 minute to wear this entire outfit. I've done the walk in so that is something special for me because I came the ramp for so many years as showstopper, and in my I mean I've done that but always in heels, but this is the very first time that I'm walking in flats.
फैशन के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं आप? क्या फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
जी फैशन की डेफिनेशन, I'm not a person who blindly follow all the trends and whatever is happening, but it's all about your personal style statement. What do you like? Like my personal style statement is that I'm very experimenting. I like to experiment a lot. I love to try out different ideas and different creatives, and I love that creativity about fashion. That's the best. Summer tips in terms of fashion or in terms of lifestyle fashion? Summer tips in terms, okay, for all the fans and supporters out there, the best summer tip is that it's very, you can use all the bright colors in your collection, in your wardrobe, and it's very easy, something very easy breezy which you can wear very quickly, something very casual. I think that would be my summer tip.
And sir, आप क्या tips देना चाहेंगे fashion पर? Summer tips.
Summer tips. Wear something that makes you feel comfortable. I always wear garments where I can take a world tour also in. You know? So that's what you should wear in summer. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay मैम, क्या कहना चाहेंगे collection के बारे में सबसे पहले में बता दीजिए.
मेरा रॉयल हार्मनी इंडिया है. सोने की चिड़िया से मैं इंस्पायर्ड हूँ और आर्ट कल्चर ट्रेडिशनल के ऊपर मैंने काम किया है और मैं अपने लैक्मे में शो स्टॉपर के लिए वलूशा को लिया है क्योंकि वलूशा हमारे लिए बहुत ही एप्ट है और इनके ऊपर ब्राइडल कलेक्शन जो मैंने गारमेंट्स बनाया बहुत ही सूट किया है एंड बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है वलूशा.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी, कितने कंफर्टेबल फील कर रही हैं और क्या कहना चाहेंगी कलेक्शन के बारे में?
About the comfort, that's most important. I feel like a very rich bride right now. A lot of Zardozi work done on silk. A lot of nature elements within the garment, plants, trees, birds. But more importantly, I feel very comfortable. I don't feel weighed down by the outfit. And I think there's a lot of heart and soul that's gone into this garment. And a lot of heritage that's within it as well. And congratulations, Saroj. And thank you very much for having me as your showstopper.
एंड फैशन की बात की जाए तो क्या सोचती हैं फैशन के बारे में, क्या डेफिनेशन है आपकी नज़र में फैशन की?
The thing is, fashion and style is an extension of your personality, honestly. It's who you are that comes out in the clothes. So, personally, I'm not someone who follows trends or follows fashion. I take a little bit of what's out there and I make it my own.
Any summer tips?
Yes, I think keep it light. White is the color to go and a lot of neutrals.
एंड आपकी मूवी भी आई है फैन, तो कितने एक्साइटेड है उसके लिए? थोड़ा
I'm very, very nervous. Character, I cannot speak about my character right now. There are 14 days left, only 14 days left. So I hope you go out there and you see it and I hope you enjoy it.
एंड कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आपका शाहरुख सर के साथ?
It was an unbelievable experience. I still feel like I'm in a dream and I haven't woken up. Yeah. Thank you.
जी सबसे पहले तो कलेक्शन के बारे में बता दीजिए.
कलेक्शन जैसे कि आप सुन ही रहे हो और वापस से सुनना चाहते हो, इट्स अनएक्सप्लोर्ड वर्ल्ड कि ना किसी ने सोचा हो ना किसी ने देखा हो. जो कुछ भी मैंने अपने ड्रीम्स में देखा है, सोचा है, वो डेफिनेटली मैंने आपको प्रस्तुत किया है. ये सब चीज़ें तब हो सकती है जब मैं कुछ सोच रहा हूँ और आर्टिशियंस उसको बना रहे हो और ये सब चीज़ बना के डेफिनेटली मैंने आपके सामने प्रेजेंट किया है. एंड व्हाट एल्स.
एंड सर आप कितना कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हैं सर कलेक्शन में?
आई थिंक बहुत स्मार्ट है और जब मुझे पहला भेजा गया तो मैंने बोला पता नहीं क्या भेजा है, बट पहनने के बाद वो इतना स्मार्ट लग रहा था तो आई जस्ट ट्रस्टेड हिम इन व्हाट ही वांट्स टू मी टू वेयर एंड आई थिंक he's got the best out of his outfit. Is very nice, very smart and बहुत compliments मिले ये outfit पे. So he's done his bit.
क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
Pardon?
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
ये एक्सपेरिमेंटल डिज़ाइनर है, मतलब कुछ नई चीज़ें करना चाहते हैं. जैसे आप देख रहे हो कि ये कॉलर ये उल्टा है, ये सीधा है, ब्रीचेस पहनाया हुआ है सूट पे, मॉडर्न टक्सीडो है. और ललित जो है अपना खुद का आउटफिट भी डिज़ाइनर और एक शो स्टॉपर के साथ कलर कोऑर्डिनेट किया हुआ है. तो वो बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सोच है कि जब शो स्टॉपर आए और जब डिज़ाइनर उसके साथ जाए तो वो कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड लगे. तो ये सब चीज़ भी वो सोचता है और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डिज़ाइनर्स फॉर द फ्यूचर एंड वी विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है आपकी नज़र में? फैशन क्या है?
Yeah, fashion is all about the comfort. Fashion is all about the comfort and who is wearing this. It's most important. If Mr. Murani is wearing, it means the powerful person is wearing this. It means if you are having power and the style statement, what else you need? It means the power. Fashion is all about the power and the style statement. I mean, it means to say that only.
मोहम्मद सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, आपकी नज़र में फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
आई थिंक जो शरीर पे अच्छा लगे और कंफर्टेबल लगे और डेफिनेटली लोग तैयार होते हैं इम्प्रेस करने के लिए. अभी मैं समझता हूँ कि अपने आप का कंफर्ट ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है और अगर आपका लुक समझते हो कि ये अच्छा लग रहा है, तो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट फैशन.
एंड समर भी आ गया है, तो समर में क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आप फैशन लवर्स को?
Be comfortable yourself. Be comfortable and stylish out of the crowd. That is what the tip I want to give to the crowd.
Stand out from the crowd.
Stand out from the crowd.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.